How to add a float activity to your vacation. Your screen may look slightly different depending on the type of device you are using. An activity can only be added after you've logged into the reservation system to an already created vacation. From the My Vacations page, which can be accessed from the drop-down menu from any screen in the reservation system, create a new vacation or select your already created vacation. You are now ready to add your activity. To add any type of activity, select the Add Activity button. To add a float activity, select Float. The reservation system will now step you through the process of adding a float activity to your vacation. First, select the date you are interested in floating by selecting the Date field and then choosing your desired date. Please note the Date field will default to the current date. Then select Next Step. If you have chosen today's date, you'll receive a message to confirm the selected date. Now add your float trip. You can narrow the selection of available trips by choosing the trip type broken into different categories. Below trip type are the available trips as well as information about each trip. Select the radial button next to the trip of your choice and then choose Next Step. Now let's choose our craft type. Select the Add Craft button located at the bottom left corner. A new window will appear with several options. Choose the type of craft matching your trip. If you select a craft type not fit for the trip you selected, a warning message will appear. Information regarding your craft will now display. Now select the number of people as well as the number of crafts for your trip. If you select too few or too many people compared to the number of crafts you have selected, the system will let you know. Once you've selected your craft type and number of floaters, select the Submit button. Now you can either add another craft type or proceed to the next step. Now choose your float time. Important messages regarding float times will be displayed on this screen. Select your time using the drop-down field and then choose Next Step. The system will quickly gather the necessary information and the finalized step will be displayed. From here, you can review the information based on your selections, including pricing. If any changes are desired, you can go back to any of the steps by clicking the corresponding number. If you have a promotional code, add it here. You must check the I agree to terms of services checkbox in order to proceed. You can choose Abort Changes, which will cancel all changes and take you back to the vacation summary page. You can choose Save Inquiry, which will save your settings and allow you to reserve at another time, or Reserve Activity, which will hold your reservation. Once you have made your decision, you'll return to the vacation summary page.